What do you do when someone in your family needs help, but they won't get it?
One of the most helpful questions you can ask somebody who is struggling in need of help but won't get it is asking them the question, how can I be of help to you? And I think it's really important that you understand where they're coming from and what they need. And if they say to you, I've thought about getting professional help, you can say, is it something that I can help you with? Would you like for me to help you in your search of finding a therapist? And what I'm finding is that a lot of people who have anxiety or depression or experiencing loneliness or suicidal thoughts, they don't have the energy, the attention, the concentration, the memory to be able to follow through, to be able to look for a provider. So assessing a person's readiness for therapy is such an important part of the equation. And then offering the help to do it is the second part.
Excellent. Dr. Hauser, what would you say?
Approach them with empathy and help normalize what you are seeing and experiencing with them, and share a personal story of something that you've struggled within the mental health world or seeking help yourself.
Yeah, I echo what Dr. Varma and Dr. Hauser have to say. I think that what we're really kind of talking about is learning how to be a safe source of support. A lot of times when we think about supporting somebody, we think about trying to fix them and, you should go do this. And, I don't understand why you won't do this. And whenever we do that, then we cause people to feel ashamed, or we cause them to feel like it's their fault for some reason or forced into something. So I think that the most important thing is to be able to be a safe form of support.